Day is celebrated on 14 November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru.
Fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children, he advocated for children to have better education and care.
Nehruji also considered children as real strength of a nation and foundation of society.
On this day, many education and motivational programs are held across India for children.
And we are no exception to that. The Teacher Fraternity of Faculty Higher Secondary School, North Guwahati, has bit by bit created a short program comprising songs and dances. Just a small gesture of expressing our love and affection towards our students.
Hope you all will like it. So let's begin by giving a tribute to Chacha Nehru and lighting the lamp.
Good morning, children. Here's wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Firstly, I'd like to thank all of you for coming back to school. And I would also like to extend this gratitude to your parents for sending you back to school. The trust that you have shown in us to keep you safe means a great deal to us. A school is just a building with classrooms without you in it. And for the last 7 to 8 months, the deserted look in the school was really depressing for all of us. But now, seeing you back again in your classrooms, in the playgrounds, listening to your chatter in the corridors, gives me a lot of hope for better days to come. This year, if I can put it in very simply, was a very, very challenging year, and it continues to be challenging for all of us, trying to adapt to the new measures that are there in our lives today. But I do hope that from this challenge, we have learned something. All of us have learned something, and realize that it is very important for us to prioritize what is most important to us, to become a better person and a better human being. And I think all of you have done your introspection, all of you have seen things, and I don't think you would ever thought that you would be witness to such a situation, but nonetheless, I'm sure we'll come out much stronger. We miss you in school today on Children's Day. The noise, the music, the feel, the matches, the friendly matches, everything, and more than that, the puri eating competitions, which I'm sure a lot of you are missing. So we are really missing you in school, but because of such a challenging period in our lives, we have to resort to an online Children's Day. But I know things are going to get better, and we will have you in 100% capacity back in school, and everything should become all good. So things have changed, the way we teach have changed, academics has changed, instructional processes have changed, and I think it's going to change even further, and which I think is for the best. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all back in school, and hope that the next few months we will come back to some sort of normalcy, and by the next session everything gets back to normal and we go about our lives. But of course, we just don't go about our lives like we used to. We go about our lives with a little more understanding, a little more compassion, a little more empathy, and just taking in life, because as you have all witnessed, nothing is very certain. So let us make do with whatever God has gifted us today in our lives, our friends, our family, our parents, everybody, cherish them, and I think we'll all be good for the future. So very, very happy Children's Day, all of you. See you soon in school again. Thank you.
Good morning, children. I wish you all very happy Children's Day. You are the future leaders of India. So let us collaborate to perform our responsibilities of making beautiful society and a better nation. You become the happiness of the society and home. You all blessed by the God to conquer our hearts with your beautiful eyes, innocent activities and smiles. Celebrating Children's Day memorize us about the importance of children in making future of the country. This celebration makes a call to every Indian citizen to protect their little one from all harms by providing a better childhood. Let us join our hands together and take a pledge to secure the present and future of the country's leaders to make a beautiful nation. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
14 November, we mark the birthday of our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. This day, we celebrate it as Children's Day. So students, this is your day. In this very unprecedented situation of global crisis, we are celebrating Children's Day on a very unique way, on a virtual mode. Nevertheless, wishing everyone a happy Children's Day. Become good and responsible citizen. You all are the human resource. You all are the asset of the country, future citizens. So be good human being, that is utmost important. And once again, to all my dear students, a very happy Children's Day. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hello children, I wish you happy Children's Day, and since you are children and you are the most incredible part of our life, we have no existence without you, all my beloved students. And as you know, we are spending a very difficult times. So in this situation, you have to fight against this pandemic situation for your own career. So you always try your best, and at this special day, I wish you again happy Children's Day. Thank you.
So children, today is your day. So I wish you happy Children's Day. This year it has become memorable to you and historic also, as you are studying without school. But this year the nature has taught us lot of things, isn't it? So you are bound to study on your own at home. We are trying our best to help you. Some of the students are coming to school nowadays, but some of you are still afraid of this new engineered virus. I will say engineered virus, not COVID virus, because it is man-made. It's very difficult to treat it, so it's not possible to get medicine of this also. So it is meaningless to be afraid of it and remain sitting at home. You have to survive, you have to come forward and face the world. So in the road you see accidents happens, but that doesn't mean we will not go to the road, but we have to follow the rules, traffic rules. Similarly, for this pandemic or this COVID-19, we are afraid, okay, but we have to follow the rules that has been given up by WHO. If you observe, nothing will happen to us. You have to go ahead. So I wish you all a very happy Children's Day once again. Before that, some of you are enjoying. I know these days some of you are enjoying, but do you know the meaning of enjoyment? If you are a football player, if you are not allowed to play, you are not enjoying. You are a singer, you are not allowed to sing, you are not enjoying. So you are a student. If you are not allowed to study, you are not enjoying. So take the benefit of the time, study and be alert. 2021 is waiting for you with an upgrade education system. Happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good morning children. Wishing you all a happy Children's Day. So as we know that we are passing a very hard time in this pandemic, we are sure that we will overcome this. So let us all pray to God for a normal social life. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Being students, it is not the easy, but it is the important phase of life. you may brightly shine in all of your obstacles on your way. So during these pandemic situations, so being a citizen of India, so you can fight, you can protect yourself from these pandemic situations, and you can survive in this world. So finally, wish you happy Children's Day.
Good morning, dear children. Today is a special day. It's Children's Day, a day of love and celebration. Children, you are an epitome of love. You fill the world with love, laughter and iridescent colors. You are the rainbow of hope. Your radiant eyes holds the promises of a brighter tomorrow. Your shining faces brighten up the world. You are the twinkling stars that light the way. So children, on this day, I wish that all your aspirations find the truest expression and you leave an indelible mark on the world. My heartfelt love to you and wish you a happy Children's Day.
Wishing you all a
to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. And now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name, cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything gon' be alright. Go and raise a glass and say here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. दिल खुद गर्ज है, फिसला है ये फिर हाथ से। कल उसका रहा अब है तेरा इस रात से। दिल खुद गर्ज है, फिसला है ये फिर हाथ से। कल उसका रहा अब है तेरा इस रात से। ओ मेरी जान, ओ मेरी जान, ओ मेरी जान। आज कियो बारे बारे মনে যে মোৰ বিচাৰে আসলৰে বাজুৰণীয়া আজি যেন উদাসী সন্ধিয়া ও ফাগুনৰে বাউলিবা লৈ যা মোক লৈ যা ফাগুনৰে উৰণীয়াবা ও আলসুৱা কুঁৱাৰে চা মন মোৰ উৰি গুচি যায় কি জানো পায়ো হেৰুৱাই মন মোৰ উৰি গুচি যায় কি জানো পায়ো হেৰুৱাই ফাগুনৰে উৰণীয়াবা মনত যে কিমান হেঁপাহ
কাষেৰে পাৰ হৈ গ'লা তুমি
আদৰ বুকুতে জাগে ভাবি তোমাক নিজৰ ভাবি তোমাৰ নিজৰ তুমি ডালে ডালে তুমি পাতে পাতে তুমি ফুল ফুল খুৱা খুৱা তুমি শীত শীত নিহালিতা তুমি নয়ে নয়ে তুমি পাৰা পাৰ তুমি হলে দুৰ্হিয়াত হাহাকাৰ দিন চাৱনিৰে কৰা চিকাৰ তুমি ডালে ডালে তুমি পাতে পাতে তুমি ফুল ফুল খুৱা খুৱা এই শুকান পৃথিৱী তুমি আহিলে জীপাল হ'ব সৌকলা ডাৱৰো তোমালে চাই আঁতৰিব কত ৰাতি অকলে অকলে পাৰ হ'ল ভাঙি তোমাৰ নীৰৱে কত সপোনৰে ধাৰ বুকুতে বৈ যায় ভাঙি হিম বেথাৰে তুমি ডালে ডালে তুমি পাতে পাতে তুমি ফুল ফুল খুৱা খুৱা তুমি শীত শীত নিহালিতা তুমি নয়ে নয়ে তুমি পাৰা পাৰ তুমি হলে দুৰ্হিয়াত হাহাকাৰ কিনো চাৱনিৰে কৰা চিকাৰ তুমি ডালে ডালে তুমি পাতে পাতে তুমি ফুল ফুল খুৱা খুৱা
न हम तुम चले टेढ़े मेढ़े से रस्तों पे नंगे पाँव रे चल भटक लेना बाबरे क्यों न हम तुम फिरे जाके अलमस्त पहचानी राहों के पार चल भटक लेना बावरे इन टिमटिमाती निगाहों में चमचमाती अदाओं में लुके हुए छुपे हुए है क्या ख्याल बावरे क्यों न हम तुम फिरे जिंदगी के नशे में धुत सर फिरे चल भटक लेना बाबरे क्यों न हम तुम फिरे जाके अलमस्त पहचानी राहों के परे चल भटक लेना बाबरे सुन खन खनाती है जिंदगी हिले हमें बुलाती है जिंदगी जो करना है वो आज कर ना उसको टाल बावरे
राहों में तन्हा हूँ साथ ले चल यूं संग तेरे सफर पूरा करूं राहों में तन्हा हूँ साथ ले चल यूं संग तेरे सफर पूरा करूं क्या कहूँ ऐ जिंदगी तू है मेरी सांस रहना तू पास हर घड़ी तू दे दे मेरा साथ थाम ले हाथ चाहे जो भी हो बात तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ
सब कुछ तुझ पे हार गई मैं खुद ही खुद की नहीं रही मैं ओ सजना पर तू मुझ पे नजर करे ना थोड़ी सी भी फिक्र करे ना मन्नत कर करके थक गई मैं ओ सजना
लाखों का दिल तेरा ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका अब नखरा ना कर तू बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिर नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी मेरी रानी नाच नाच मेरी रानी रानी
हील दे नाल मैं कटिया एक साल वे मैनू कदे तले जिया कर तू शॉपिंग माल वे मेरे नाल दियां सब पार्लर सजदियां रहदियां हाय हाईलाइट करा दे मेरे काले बाल